I'm outside using a heater, a 12 volt heater. If you can see this. 12 volt heater to heat the inside doing pass through with 200 watt heater. I mean, solar panels. This is the wattage we use. I'm facing the sun directly. This is the time we have by using the heater. In emergency, if we break down or if we need it, if we become homeless, what can we do to save fuel? This is a test to see what it takes. I don't know if you can see it. I think you can see it. How much energy you use with 200 watt solar panels in front of the car. And you see the time on the side. 17 hours with 200. So it's 100. It's only putting out 116 watts from the solar panel. And this is November time. 118. And this is using one of those desktop heaters. As you can see, nice and hot. It's cold, it's chilly outside, it's 40 degrees. It's the watch you use to heat your car up. A lot of people becoming homeless. Things you could do to stay warm without burning up your gas. Which one? I can see it. This is the energy used. The sun, they're putting out a little bit more. See, guys, come climbing up slowly. You get 18 hours worth of energy. You're using like 20%. That's not bad. This is extending your ability to use to cut it off. Let's see what the real results are. This is Philadelphia. This one hood takes a while to charge up, but you see it's coming down real fast. This is a run hood. It's still being fed 120 watts through the solar panel because it's still sunny outside. It's hazy a little bit, but we still get enough to fill it up. And from it being chilly, the batteries don't have to be cooled. At 42 degrees, the fans are not blowing the cooler batteries off. The inverter didn't come on either because, like I said, we outside in the cold. So if you was homeless and all you had to do is face your vehicle to save gas, to heat your car up, and not, waste energy and fuel. Thank you for watching. God bless.